Hi, welcome to our one take bike review. For this video we're going to be doing the Raleigh Superbe. Wow, what a bike. So what do you get? You get chrome everything, you get rod brakes, you get 26 1 3/8 wheels. On really good examples like this one you get a light, you get a pump, you get chain guard, you get a rack. You get a Dynohub at the rear. So this one, the rear wheel was made in, I don't know if we can see, 1980. So this is a 44-year-old bike. This one also has Brook saddle. So what can we say about these? First of all, if you're buying it because you want to ride it, you ain't going to be disappointed. These are so comfortable to ride, you barely know you're riding it. Number two, if you're buying it for an investment, these are just going up in value all the while. They're such good bikes. They've got the look, they're a classic bike, they're a usable classic. You could do a lot worse. I've seen these go for £500. They're just amazing bikes. They're really easy to fix, they never go wrong. These are, we love them, absolutely love them. Okay, so what should you watch out for? You want to watch out that the chrome hasn't gone in any areas, like you get patches where the chrome has, what am I trying to say? Where the corrosion has started to bite through. You want to make sure the gears select the way they should. You definitely need to test ride it, and you want to check for originality. So you want to make sure that you're not buying one that someone's pinched the lovely Brooks saddle off or parts off and it's got inferior parts from what was original. We absolutely love these. In fact, this one used to be mine. So, fortunately I don't use it enough. But yeah, I can't recommend these enough really. And if you're looking for something that does everything, the only thing you need to watch is, obviously they're going up in value all the while, and you need to watch that someone's going to pinch it. And if you are worried about that, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you've told your insurance company, your home insurance, about it, because they ain't going to say that your vintage Raleigh Superbe is covered under the insurance. So make sure that your insurance company know about it if you've got one of these or thinking of getting one of these. So hopefully that helped. We absolutely love Raleigh Superbes. They're so good.